In this quick video, we're going to show you how to replace your jaw seal in your Z-Link. First, you'll need to open the visor. With the visor now open, you'll be able to see the jaw seal that can easily be pulled out around the perimeter of the window opening. To replace that jaw seal, simply reattach the seal to the channel on your Z-Link, starting at the top corner and then pressing the rubber gasket into the channel around the window opening. You can then close the visor and you're then ready to go. Thank you for watching this quick video on how to replace your Z-Link jaw seal.